welcome back to my channel. It's Julia. If you guys are new here, what's up? My name is Julia. I post makeup, fashion, and lifestyle videos, and I really hope you guys stick around, subscribe, become a part of the Rain fam. I'm currently holding a giveaway. If you guys want to be entered or you want to win, then definitely subscribe because that's the #1 rule of the giveaway. And if you guys are not new here, welcome back, my beautiful raindrops. Just decided to sit down and film this video because a lot of people have been asking me what my current favorites are and everything, so I really just wanted to sit down and give you guys my current favorites, the things I've been loving, and all that good stuff. So if you guys want to see some of the products that I've been loving so far right now, just keep watching. Guys, so the first thing that I've been really loving, and this is just a really good foundation. If you guys don't know, my skin is so wishy-washy. I don't know, it's very oily, but it can be dry, and it's all over the place. So I love this foundation. It's amazing, and I actually found it at Marshall's for $10, I believe. I don't know if they have any more. Obviously Marshall's is they have it and they don't, they have it, they don't, if you know what I mean. This foundation is the Stila Stay All Day foundation, and it's actually really bomb. I'm not wearing it today. I actually did a wear test on the new Makeup Revolution foundation, so if you guys want to hear my review or my opinion on that foundation, let me know, because I did try it out, and I don't know, I am breaking out right now. I have a pimple here and pimple there, so my skin might look a little rough. Any of the Makeup Revolution stuff I will totally do for you, but this foundation is bomb and I actually really love it. It's really good coverage. It goes on really nice. I feel like it stays on pretty well, so it's actually very good and just doesn't feel cakey on my face. It feels pretty good actually, and I feel like it's just a good foundation to wear for every day. So this has definitely been one of my favorites, and I've been using it for a long time, except for today because I tried out a new product. The next two products I am wearing today, and they're my bronzer and contour duo, and I fell back in love with this duo because I stopped using it for a little bit, but I started using the Milani Baked Bronzer in Dolce, and this is really good. I know that a lot of people have had trouble finding it, but it is from Milani if you guys want to order online. I don't know if they have it in store, but I personally found it, I believe, at CVS, Walgreens maybe, Walgreens. So this is bomb, and I use this as my my bronzer, and it's kind of shiny, kind of shimmery, but it makes my skin look really beautiful and awake. This is bomb, and it looks good honestly if you're tan, if you're pale. It looks good for whenever. I don't know how it does it, but it looks bomb no matter what skin tone you have. It just looks really good. I fell back in love with, if you guys have been watching my recent makeup tutorials, I've been using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. This is the one in medium deep, and it's actually really good, and it's really good to contour. I've been using this and I fell completely back in love with it. I never really liked the Hoola bronzer. I don't know, it's never been my thing. So the next product may come as a shock, because I actually didn't love it when I first got it, and I still don't think it's okay. Here's my thing. For the price point, I really don't think it's that bomb, but it's good, and I've been using it and I actually like it. So the highlighter I'm talking about is the Kylie Cosmetics highlighter, and this is the one in the shade Strawberry Shortcake. So I've had this for a while, and it's just been sitting in my makeup drawer, so I finally was okay, I really need to start using this because I haven't. It's just sitting here. It was not cheap, so I want to actually use it, and I started using it. It's what I'm wearing on my face today. It just gives a really nice natural glow, and I love that. I think it's really beautiful. It just makes my face look natural and dewy and gorgeous. So my next favorite is a lippy, and it's what I'm wearing right now. So I've been obsessed with the Buxom lip glosses. I don't know why, but they're just bomb. They're bomb. They're so good. This one is a mini. This is in the shade Brook, and it's what I'm wearing on my lips right now. They're just high shine, really tingling, plumping glosses, and I love them. This is literally without lip liner, so you can tell, my lips are not even lined, guys. My lips are not lined, so if I was to line my lips would look bigger, but this is just bomb. And then I have this one, which is in the shade Caroline, and it looks like this, and I'm gonna apply some, I think, just to see. Ooh. So it is a little bit more pinky, but it is so gorgeous. I've been obsessed with the Buxom lippies. They're really good. So this is the shade Caroline, like I just said. The other one was Brooke, but all the glosses, I bought a set with like all these in it, and they're so good, and I actually really love them, and I'm gonna start using them a lot more. So my next favorite is a palette, and okay, it's the James Charles Morphe palette. I really just had to do it because first of all, the packaging, yes, like yes, this packaging is so stunning. It's like a beautiful matte black, like a glossy finish. If I was to be a palette, I would probably be this one, to be honest. Like if I was to ever create a palette with someone, it would be the James Charles one. Like it literally looks exactly like it. It's beautiful, it's stunning, it's everything, and just the colors inside. Let me open it. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you. It's really beautiful. I've been using it for my looks. I've done like a pink one, I've done a green one, so I really want to do a blue one next. But I've been loving this palette, and it's definitely a creative palette, and I feel like since getting it, it's made me want to really do creative looks. Of course, I'm wearing a natural look today, and really making me want to be like super creative and everything. So I definitely do agree with like the unleash your inner artist. It does make you want to really do creative looks. Okay guys, the last favorite that I'm going to talk about is the Dry Bar On The Rocks Scrub Little Shampoo. If you guys follow me on Instagram, which if you want to be entered in the giveaway, go follow me on Instagram. What are you doing? I did do a little bit of a partnership with Dry Bar, and I did get sent that not the dry shampoo, the scrub. But guys, seriously, I'm not joking. Like, you don't have to use my code, you don't have to whatever. Like, I literally don't benefit off of this unless you use my code, which is JuliaR10. I will put it on the screen and down below. But it is so good. Like, genuinely, don't use my code, just get it because you want to get it. It's bomb. My mom used it, and we have very different hair textures. Mine is very long and full and heavy and like oily. She has very dry, fine, short hair. So it works for so many different hair types. It's insane. And you basically just scrub it in your scalp and get all of like the dry shampoo, buildup, oil, all that jazz out of your hair. And it literally is amazing. I've used it and my hair has not gotten oily. Like, I haven't, okay, this is kind of gross. I haven't washed my hair in like a few days now. And usually my hair would be completely greasy, but it's not, even without dry shampoo. Yeah, it's actually really bomb, and I highly recommend. If you want to use my code, you can save yourself some money. If you don't, you don't have to, but I would definitely recommend trying out. You can get it at the Dry Bar website or Ulta. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below some of your monthly favorites, and also if you want to be entered into my giveaway, the directions right down below in the pinned comment on that video, how to win, how to enter, basically all that jazz. So if you want to win free makeup, free stuff, then definitely enter and subscribe. And until next time, Rain fam.